Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO A15 from European distribution, and today I will show you a couple camera tricks that you can use in this smartphone. So let's open the camera, and at the first we are going to start from the settings, from the best features that we can find in the settings. So let's tap on the right upper corner to enter the settings. And as you can see at the first we can adjust the volume button functions. We can go for the volume, shutter or zoom. I can recommend you to go for this one, for the zoom, and take a look. I'm going to show you how it looks right now. When we press the volume up or volume down button, we can quickly zoom in or zoom out, just like that. As you can see. So very useful, much easier than pinching screen like that. Let's go back for the settings, and we can also activate fingerprint shotting. So as you can see in this smartphone, we can find fingerprint on the back, and when you hold your smartphone, for example, like that, and you cannot reach shutter, you can press the fingerprint, even put finger on the fingerprint sensor, and as you can see, the photo will be taken. I'm only pressing the fingerprint sensor. Take a look. Here, in this place, the photo is taken. In the settings we can also find location information about our photos. So when you click on the switcher and activate location, be sure also that location is enabled. When you take a photo right now and go for the details of that photo, we'll get the exact location of this photo. Okay, it's probably some kind of the back. Let's go back and let's take another photo. As you can see right now, we got the exact location of the photo where it was taken. We can also activate Gridlines to make better composition of the photos. As you can see right now, Gridlines appears on the screen, and definitely it's much easier to take good composition of this photo. Just like that. Let's take it and take a look right now. It looks really nice. And did I miss something? Let's check. Right, that's all. Oh, we can also mark our photos when you enable the watermark. We can also make the custom name, so you can type here HardReset and take a look. When I take a photo with this option, and the left bottom corner, it will mark that photo was taken on the OPPO A15 by HardReset. Right now let's move for the mode that we have in this smartphone. So as you can see, we got basic modes like video, photo, portrait and more. Let's start from the photo mode. As you can see, we can quickly change the temperature and color on our photos when you click right here. So you don't have to even download external application from the Google Play Store. You can quickly apply them from your stock camera. We can also tap right here and activate timer. So as you can see right now, we set it up on the 3 seconds, and when you take a photo, it will be taken after a few seconds. Bang, the photo was taken. We got here also the beauty mode. Okay, but to be honest, I don't see any difference. When we are in the video mode, we can also apply the filters to our photo, to our video, as you can see. And when you go for the more modes, we can find here the Google Lens. There's a very useful feature. Let's open it, click to open the camera, and if you want to find something that is around you, for example, I'm going to check what it is. This box from Samsung. And let's see what we get here. As you can see, there is the box from original Samsung wired headphones. Okay, let's go back, and basically that's all. That's all tricks that you can use when you have this smartphone. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.